Friends, today I am going to show you how to make semolina French fries. Means only you can say it rava in Marathi. So let's start our recipe. So first needed ingredients are semolina, some salt, 1 cup water and oil. So here I have taken non-stick pan. So I will on the flame first. The flame is on medium. Now I am going to put this semolina in this pan. Total 1 cup I have taken. Now salt, two tablespoons of salt and 1 cup of water. Total 1 cup of water I have taken here. So now for this we will need the wooden spoon. So now let's mix it. If you think that the water is too less, you can add some water. We have to make a dough of this. It not be sticky. So you can see now how it's being a dough. So it's now proper dough. So now we will off the flame. So here now I have made the dough. It's hot. I will keep it for 2 to 3 minutes to cool down. So after 2 to 3 minutes our dough is cooled down. It is lukewarm. So now I will take now half tablespoon of oil. It's a normal oil. And we will make a dough. Make a soft and smooth dough. So 2 to 3 minutes I have make a soft and smooth dough. So now we will make a circle of this dough. So let's take a, you can use any flat surface to make rounds and rolling pin. So now I will divide this in 2 parts and make small balls and make them flat. So again I have mixed both the balls again. don't worry about the sides corner. It's like that only because of the semolina, or you can say suji also. The consistency of means the circle, it must be thick. It must not be so much thin because the french fries are thick. So now we will take a knife. So here I have taken a knife. Now I will give this shape in the square. Take out the sides corner. So now cut it like this, straight. Don't make thick pieces. So I have divided this in small strips, you can see. So now cut this all in the middle. So here's our small strips of the french fries are ready. I have taken a plate to take out it. So I have keep this oil for preheating for 2 to 3 minutes. So now here I have some cutted pieces of the french fries here seen only. Now we will fry this. I have keep the flame high, means when preheating I have kept the high, and now I have keep it on medium. Make it golden brown and crispy. Because of the semolina or suji, it gets very crispy and it has a nice texture also. See now how it is golden brown. So now remaining all I will fry. So I have fried all the French fries and I will test one. It's super. It's just super. If you're bored with potato French fries, you can try this recipe at your home, and it's very delicious. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and enjoy this recipe with your family.